Types and list of heavy construction equipment. Part 6. Equipment for tunneling and handling. Conveyor systems remove muck and spoil from tunneling excavation sites in an efficient, dependable, cost-effective, and low-risk manner. This equipment is designed to move materials from the tunnel excavation site to the surface and beyond in a safe and efficient manner. Mixers for concrete. A concrete mixer, also known as a cement mixer, is a machine that mixes cement, aggregate, such as sand or gravel, and water in a uniform manner to make concrete. A spinning drum is used to mix the components in a standard concrete mixer. Portable concrete mixers are frequently utilized for smaller scale projects so that the concrete can be mixed on the job site, allowing the workers plenty of time to use it before it hardens. Please review this. Do you require the services of a concrete lifting company? Machines that make roads. These are the several machinery that are used in road construction. Despite the fact that they come in a variety of sizes and may be used on both small and large building projects, they are considered heavy-duty equipment. Rollers for the road. A road roller is a compactor-type engineering vehicle used in the construction of roads and foundations to flatten earth, gravel, concrete, or asphalt. Similar rollers can also be found in landfills in agriculture. Regardless of its mode of propulsion, road rollers are usually referred to as steamrollers. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.